Koji spores, or Aspergillus oryzae, is a fungus that is used to make soy sauce, miso, sake, and more. Traditionally used to increase umami in Asian cuisine, there are chefs around the world who are finding tons of new uses for this incredible microorganism. When cultivating your own koji, there's a few important things you need to keep in mind. Your spores are temperature sensitive and need to be monitored while growing. And if your batch turns any other color than white or yellow, it needs to be thrown away. Today, we're going to show you how to grow koji on rice and make shio koji and shoyu koji from that rice. Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, found it helpful, give us a like. If there's someone that you think would like this video, share it with them. Comment below and let us know what you would like to see. Subscribe so you can keep getting unique recipes, tips, and tricks to take your cooking to the next level. Click this link in the corner to see a complete step-by-step recipe of this dish, or follow the link in the description below.